Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to fix a RAM stick that isn't working properly. If your computer is experiencing random crashes, freezes, or blue screen errors, it could be caused by faulty RAM. First, turn off your computer and unplug it from the wall. Open up the computer case and locate the RAM slots. Remove the faulty RAM stick by pressing down on the clips on either end of the stick and gently pulling it out. Next, clean the gold contacts on the RAM stick with a soft cloth, or you can rub the golden part with an eraser. For better results, try to clean the whole RAM with 70% alcohol. If there is visible dust or debris, use a can of compressed air to blow it away. Now, reinsert the RAM stick into the slot by aligning it with the notches on the slot and pressing it firmly until the clips snap into place. Close up your computer case, plug it back in, and turn it on. If the RAM stick is still not working properly, try inserting it into a different slot or test it on another computer. If it still doesn't work, it may be time to replace the RAM stick. That's it for today's video. We hope this helped you fix your RAM problem. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching.